Hello tutor, moment of the TAT 7 recording. While reading, male feelings are states feelings that are often intense, last for only um, for time and are clearly directed at or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotions include pride, relief, love, and calm. Compliments, fire, serve, positivism, and thus to others by always trying to be positive and, and helpful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, silence, envy, and disgust. 2. Minimal paragraphs. Cut, but, with, right, rod, killed, night, take, stake, count, coat, pin, bin, till, pill, tilch, pitch, day, pay, ding, ping, deal, pill, talk, book, date, bite, toll, cash, toll, cool, tape, cape, tight, quad, toe, gum, tie, guy, tap, gap, toe, go, gag, table, gable, tin, pin, tail, fail, tongue, palm, tick, big. 3. Intonation. Statements with 1 3. She words. We long stop. Statements with 2 strings. Tone is reading. May is sleeping. The car stopped. The water has shaped. Statement with 3 strings. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The water is going to shake. Statements with 4 reasons. She wants to buy a new car. We rated the letters very quality. The teacher told her student a story. Statements with 5 reasons. Alice wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Diane is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special question following is temptation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly, interesting, spontaneous, reason, intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Reckless raising intonation. May I speak to please? How I spell to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Third question following of raising intonation. You don't know they haven't found have they? You weren't late, were you? I should do it should I? Common phrase intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me our hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Recurring intonation. Close the windows, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to catch me, please. Exclamatory sentences. Falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address raising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Nena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Numerating raising intonation. I want bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pen, and pencils. Responses. I can. She's. We will. You shall. I can't. He did. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.